Split decision MMA UK down here at ICE FC3 in Earlham. The first fight of the night took place, and I'm here with the winner, Ollie Coyne. Got the first round standing guillotine victory there, Ollie. On debut as well, which must be a great feeling. Sum up how you feel it went for you.
Yeah, it went well. I was trying to box him first, and then I wasn't going for the guillotine. I was just trying to knock him out really, but it was there, so I took him. Yeah.
And with it being your debut, did it live up to everything you thought it would be in terms of nerves and preparation getting in there?
Yeah, before I was proper nervous with Lewis and Frank. They said calm down, and then when he punched me first, literally all the nerves went, and then yeah, happy.
And it was a quick start. Every time you got in a shot on him, he was throwing straight back. Did that surprise you with him?
No, because Jordan said the gym that he's from, they all like to stand on the boxes, supposedly, so I wasn't surprised by it, no, but I knew that if he wanted to try and stand, he'd have it knocked out, because he's hard on him. That's it.
And you got the backing of a great team there in Daywalkers MMA, especially you've got James Lewis in your corner. What's it like having those guys in the corner but training you every day?
Yeah, it's amazing really. Couldn't ask for a better team. You've got like Havin Wilkinson, Jordan, Jack McGann, Alex Minogue, and the last training session I had, we were practicing guillotines of Alex, so paid off.
Definitely. Is it I wouldn't say a strange one, but when you practice something in your last session and you get it in the fight, would you say that's a bit like not practice pays off, but it's like a bit weird, a bit strange, because most people, you practice something but then it never normally happens.
I knew I reckon they've got the best coaches in the country really there, and I knew just do what they say and I'll get whoever it is because of me.
And have you got any other fights planned soon, or are you just going to enjoy tonight?
No, 10 days I'm going to Magaluf anyway, so enjoy that now, made up. But no, I haven't got any plans. Joined up, just get on the piss in Magaluf.
Alright, no, that's the way. It sounds the best way. I wish I was getting a little break out there. But
if you want.
I'll jump on plane. Put me in your suitcase. You might need an extra big one for me. But is there anyone else you want to give a shout out to or thank?
Everyone at Daywalkers really. Alex Minogue, Aaron Wilkinson, Jordan, Jack McGann, Lewis, Frank. Everyone at Daywalkers couldn't have done it without you. Nice one.
And thanks for your time, and enjoy Magaluf and celebrating tonight as well. Pre-drinks tonight. Cheers, thank you.
Thanks.